What do we got here, T-Kron?
Oh, it's a big mess.
It's the El Camino.
Oh yeah.
It's the way we roll in Canada.
El Camino.
Beauty.
Yeah.
The memory card is nearly pooched. Gassing her up, huh?
Oh yeah.
Got the hogs going.
What's that?
Got the beers rocking. Got the protective goggles going. Got something to eat. It's very important equipment here, people. Take notes. I think some greasy motherfuckers are having a fire. It's fucking smoking up around this joint. Oh, fuck yeah. This is how we have a party, motherfuckers. Ew. Fucking Sony piece of shit can't focus for this shit. How we fucking roll. Fucking right. Oh. Phone call. What the fuck's that? Hello? Hey! Hey, Betty, what's up, man? Oh, hey, no problem, man. You didn't do it. Are you in town right now? Oh, okay. I was gonna say we're having a Davey Memorial Party. We're getting fucking wasted and driving motorbikes. Holy fuck, boys. We got way too far away from the beer. We're fucked. Gotta fucking get back to the beer, boys. We're fucked. Too fucking far from the beer. We got too far away from the beer. Just got back here. Fucking chug, chug, chug-a-loo. Fucking nice ride though. What do you think of that shit? T-Kron?
What's that?
Was it a good ride?
Oh yeah, it was an excellent time. Hey, we just got another message from fucking Fire Marshal Tim.
Oh yeah, what did he say?
Yeah. He said, excellent, thanks brother, on the last one, after he told us that fires are good.
Sweet.
And he says, no problem brother, have fun, stay safe.
Fuck safety.
Fire Marshal Tim.
Fucking right. Now we're allowed to have fires. Yes. There we go. This is what we're rocking here. Little chimney pot sort of fucking thing. So you can see behind me, the neighbor's having a party they had a problem with us earlier. Oh, there's a fire ban. Woo! Let's fucking zoom in on them just for a laugh. Where's the zoom? There we go. See you later, guys. Old fucking grandma's playing euchre. Fuck euchre, I say. Hey, T-Kron?
Who?
Fuck euchre.
Euchre?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just bullshit. That's garbage.
I think that's what they're playing over there.
Yeah?
Fucking euchre.
Have you played it before?
Nah, it's junk.
Oh, it's terrible.
They're bitching about fires and playing euchre.
There's a funny saying. Drew Barry said this from Storage Wars. Euchre is it's like sex. If your partner's no good, you better have a good hand.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That works. These fucking dinosaur beasts just went for a run. That was a sweet run. We went for a while.
That was definitely a 10-kilometer ride.
That was fucking far. It was good. Fuck, I'm a mess. There, grab whatever beer's left. Fucking thirsty as a motherfucker. Get fucking beer spilled all over me. I don't know if you can see it. I'm a goddamn mess. Ugh, filthy rich. I gotta piss too. Fucking Memorial Day party. Fuck yeah. Yeah. Alright, we gotta fix the fucking lighting situation here so we can rock and roll better. This is for the people so they can see better. Yeah, that's good. What's up with the blue one? Twist it, see if anything happens. Nothing? Is it fucked? Might as well take it out, it's just chooch and power. Yeah. Led Zeppelin. There goes T-Kron down the ladder. Now the other one too, right? Let's aim that one better. Gotta find my beer, hold on. Oh, fuck yeah. Where's Spokane? There we go. I'm coming, hold on. Shut this down. Oh, fucking squash the fucking... what you call it? Fucking Sam Squanchipede. Alright, T-Kron. Going up. Fucking drunk on a ladder. This is how we do. Yeah, that's better. Way better. No, more out, yeah. Or is it just loose and not adjusting properly? Fucking loosey-goosey, that slut light. And that other one's fucked too, eh? We should find, there's probably a bunch of those spotlights somewhere. Fucking need that thing. Fuck it. Uh-oh.
97 Rock.
Did you burn it out?
I'm gonna love you each and every day.
Oh, you're putting it in the better adjustable one? You look like a firefighter up there, T-Kron.
Jimmy Page and John Paul.
Except you're making fires, not putting them out.
Now these days, good times, bad times. Without thinking of the reunion concert that
that's good, yeah. Now we can start fucking rocking some ramp shots.
In London, that's the first song.
Kick ass.
Robert Plant recently told talked to our 97 Rock reporters about the other members of Led Zeppelin.
It's all about
ramp
having
shot.
enough time together to be comfortable without it being based just on nostalgia
What?
and just on. It's got to be strong stuff. And I found recently
Yeah.
with Jimmy's work and Jimmy's
It's still good to have a bunch of lights.
dark backyard, you can see what you're doing. Throw your bottles in the
grass.
that I've
We'll have a fire pit
really
over here.
into John Paul Jones again, and I think we've both become kind of pals
Because
again.
even without this thing, watch.
So it's good, you know. I mean, do we get on great? Well, I mean,
what goes to?
you know, we don't sleep together.
It does
we
look
don't
alright.
do
Party
anything
light.
together,
Yep, for
really,
sure.
except for
Looks good.
enjoy what we have had. Because
Party light.
for me, as a guy, as a musician with the time,
Neighbors. Oh,
I
fucking
want to
neighbor
make
shot.
new,
Oh, yeah.
inventive music with anybody, really. Absolutely anybody.
There we
So
go.
this reflection, this retrospective is fantastic because it reminds
You
me,
can't get that.
and it's because it's a lot of the stuff is new to the general public.
Yeah. You fucking electrocuted, son. Oh,
It's just-
yeah.
It's like it's a real piece of work. It's great to look back
Gotta
at.
put this lighter down.
And I know that the guys
Fucking
I
all
work
out of
with are
whack.
the best in the world.
So,
Let's see if you can see it. Wait a second, here we go. Yeah. Here's a ladder to fix the lights. Fucking drunk as fuck. Is this my beer here, T-Kron?
Wendy's presents a bold change. I'm thinking of changing my name.
Really?
Yeah, something bold and unexpected.
This is what I need, a fucking, a long distance cam. This is awesome.
yeah.
Fucking watch whatever I'm doing. Here, get in the shot.
Oh, don't try it as a name. Try it as a sandwich.
Sweet.
Spicy
Fucking long
chicken,
distance.
thick
Oh, yeah.
bacon, melty
How do you like
cheese.
that? Fucking YouTube cocksucker.
meal you'd expect for a man
Let's go in the light.
Maximilian Periwinkle.
Yeah, that's real sweet. Oh yeah. Light it up. That's what it is.
Good shot right there. See that shit? That's how you make a fucking YouTube video. Take notes.
Take notes. No sagging.
Bunch of saggers. Not for me though.
Nah, saggers are bad.
Alright.
Does it do your head tracking too?
Yeah, it does. No, for pictures. Like, see the square?
Yeah, that's head tracking.
Yep.
Yeah.
For pictures though.
Sweet.
Neighbors. Let's go get a fucking close up of the neighbors. Let me put you on pause here a second. Sorry about that. Alright, it's Filthy. Got the protective goggles on. We're gonna go try to capture the crazy neighbors doing
Make sure they
thing.
don't spit no German soot in your face with them goggles on.
Don't spit no German rhymes in my face.
No.
We're gonna go spy on them. Here we go.
Sit nice and they're gonna fall to the side. See?
With anything in life, that's all you can do is just hope for the best. Alright, that's a pretty sweet ramp setup.
I think I'll bust it up there.
Fuck it.
Fall over.
We got helmets.
That's a sweet grind though.
We got helmets and
Hockey pass?
I was gonna say gorilla balls. Oh, the fucking battery's dying. We gotta charge this before we fucking hit the ramp. Alright, see you in a bit. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yeah.
Oh, she fucking pooched. Oh, she pooched.
Fucking future good. Ramp's all bent. Look at that. Oh yeah. Ramp is not having a good time.
That's when you know you fucking blew her up. Got the fucking grass in the brakes.
Stuck in there.
Like, oh shit, that's the oh shit sign. Nice.
There's my gears.
Fucking blew a chain, that's what happened. That's why we stopped going, motherfucker. Made in fucking China. Goddamn Nazis.